So hello everyone, my name is Aman Kumar Happy and I'm a BTech Computer Science and Engineering student with a strong interest in technology, cloud computing and AI. Today I will explain one AWS service that I find very interesting and useful, Amazon S3, also known as Simple Storage Service. So to make it easy to understand, I will explain it using a real example, and that is very useful for students and startups, and they can also relate to it. So let's imagine a situation. You save your college notes, project files, photos or videos on your laptop and also in your smartphone. And now suddenly your laptop crashes or you lost your smartphone. So what happens? You may lose everything. This is where cloud storage becomes very important. Instead of storing files only on your devices like laptop and smartphone, cloud storage allows you to safely store them online and access them anytime, anywhere. And one of the most powerful cloud storage that we have from AWS, which is Amazon S3. What is Amazon S3? So Amazon S3 stands for Simple Storage Service. It is cloud storage services provided by AWS that helps people and companies to store and manage huge amount of data securely. You can think of S3 as a Google Drive for applications and businesses, but much more scalable and powerful. In S3, files are stored as objects inside something that is called buckets. For example, a college project folder can be one bucket. Inside it, you can store PDFs, images, code files, presentations, and videos. So now let's see some real world examples also. For students, you can store notes, assignments, certificates, and credentials and projects backup safely in the cloud. And for a startup, suppose someone builds an apps or website, the website's images, videos, and documents can be stored in Amazon S3. So for companies like Netflix or Instagram, huge amount of media content need a online storage, and cloud services like Amazon S3 help to manage massive data efficiently. This is why cloud computing is become increasingly important and very important. So why S3, that is Amazon S3, why it is very powerful? So Amazon S3 is powerful because first reason is scalability. You can store a small amount of data or even a massive amount of data. And second is Amazon AWS S3 provides a strong security features. And third is reliability. Your data remains safe and available. And the fourth reason is accessibility. You can access files from anywhere with the access of internet. So this is all about details Amazon S3. So let's conclude this video. So to conclude this video, Amazon S3 is not just cloud storage. It helps students, startups, and companies securely store, manage, and scale their data efficiently. As technology moves towards cloud computing and AI, understanding services like Amazon S3